Hello traders, welcome to Price Action Real Traders. Today I'm going to show you how to trade with candlestick analysis. Today is another new video on how to trade with candlestick analysis. Before we start, the risk warning. Your capital might be at risk. Don't trade with money that you cannot afford to lose. And this video is not an investment advice. So here I place my trade call option at this level because this is the pullback from 20 and 50 MA. So I know we should expect strong momentum after pullback. That's why I place my trade call option. This candle must be strong. It must close above this wick. Yes, it must close above this wick. So that's why I place my trade. So if this candle close above this wick, I will place call option again. You see, market is closing above this wick. You see, market has closed. I place call option again. So I place my trade call option again because the momentum is up after pullback. So you can see Bollinger is pointing up, and this is the strong pullback from 20 and 50 MA, and you can see breakout of this one deviation Bollinger band. So I'm expecting market to go more up. So that's why I place my trade call option. You see strong bias momentum. You see market is doing panic, but I know it must close above my entry point. It must create green candle. You see, so if I get lower, yes, I place call option again, but bad entry point because of the market situation, but no problem. I'm following momentum, so I know definitely market will reach this 100 EMA. So definitely market must reach this 100 EMA. So that's why I place my trade call option. But market is doing panic, but it's no problem. This is the continuation sign, and the momentum is up. So you see, market is reaching 100 EMA. It must give me winning trade. You see, market momentum is up after pullback. You see, market is breaking 100 EMA. So anytime you are trading momentum, you have to wait for pullback or reversal. So then you can get opportunity to trade quickly. You see here, I place my trade call option here, late entry, but because of the pullback, I know definitely it must give me winning trade. So here you see what I mean by pullback. Here you see, you see bullish momentum. This is bullish momentum. Then you see bearish entry, retracement, entry, then market at this level. You see peg breakout of 20, 50 EMA, and rejection from middle Bollinger band. Then you should expect strong trend because of this pullback. So I know market, you see pullback, then market a seller's entry here, but very weak. So that's why I'm expecting strong bias momentum. That's why I place my trade. And what you can see here, after this week, sellers entry. After weak sellers entry, you see strong bias. After strong bias, this is the continuation sign, strong, like hammer. Then I place my trade call option. Here is another hammer. That's why I place my trade call option again. So I took total 3 trades. All are winning trade. You see here, this is my first trade here. I place call option, and here as well I place call option. Then the next candle I place call option. You see, weak sellers, call option, strong buyers, call option, another strong buyers, call option. So that's why I took my trade quickly with these 3 candles. So this is the end of this video. If you like my video, please like. If you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe, comment, share. I will say thank you. Bye bye.